So here's how you can zoom in on a Capcut using your iPad. Let's get started. If you're brand new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. Okay, so whenever you are working with your project, you have the ability to select the clip like that and basically grab your fingers and just like pinch in on the preview right there. As I said, make sure the clip is selected below, but you'll be able to pinch on it and zoom it in like that. Right, it is for the permanent zoom feature to be enabled or applied to that clip. However, if you want this to happen gradually, you can also use the keyframes where you just select the starting portion of that clip, right? Tap on the keyframe button, then move somewhere later, and then perform the zoom in, which in effect will happen gradually between the first and the second keyframe, right? So that is like the whole point behind it. But at the end of the day, this is how the zoom feature works, right? Outside of that, you can also check out like specific effects which can be applied when you click on like the star icon with the effects on it. You'll be able to look up some sort of zooming in effects or whatever, but these are mostly like the presets which you can find, perhaps like a transition where it just like pulls it in, whatever, right? But yeah, these are only effects which you can apply, but by default you can use it manually the way that I've shown you. So let me know in the comments below if you manage to make it work. Most definitely stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.